Hey, this is Brother Barnes, and have you heard recently about blinking pyramids flying through the sky, capsules diving in and out of the water, or capsule-like UFOs splitting in half, defying the laws of physics? Well, that's been on the mind of some for the last couple of weeks, and that's kind of on my mind. These triangle UFOs, this capsule shape, or some variation of it, are these real? Are these hoaxes or are they supernatural? The triangles have been described as UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena, or as you and I would call them, unidentified flying objects. This as well. Some of the objects have been termed as defying the laws of physics, specifically these spheroid objects or some variation of these, some kind of blimp looking UFO. These seem to have been given the description of defying physics in that they might remain still, move rather rapidly, go into the water, come out of the water, split in two. The ones that intrigue me so much are these triangular UAPs. These move like microorganisms I've seen in the lab in our aquarium funk observation with biology students. That is rather interesting. It is interesting to note that the triangular objects are detectable by night vision, which indicates a heat signature. They are flashing, and the whole area of the triangular pyramid flashes. And by the way, these are not tails. These are just kind of to indicate movement. The triangular objects to me resemble current military stealth technology. If you take a look at some of the stealth technology of the United States, these are rather similar in structure. Here's my other question. Are these objects, this and this, are they holographic projections, perhaps from the surface of the planet or from a satellite? I think this because some of the images show objects that appear to defy gravity, ignore gravity, and to me a projected image could easily appear to defy gravity. Also, is all of this a bluff by our nation or another? Here's an example. In the 1980s, Ronald Reagan told the Soviets about our Star Wars defense program, and the cinematic display of incredible technology in the Star Wars Episode 4 New Hope may have bluffed the USSR into believing we actually held such technology. Think lasers and the big one, the Death Star. Yikes! What about angelic beings or supernatural? I've heard someone say, what if these are angels? Ezekiel, the book of Ezekiel described wheels in the air. Genesis described flaming swords. Interesting. Apparently, all of this is being researched by the Unidentified Aerial Phenomena Task Force, or UAPTF. What are your thoughts on the topic?